Hello students, welcome to Sagar College of Science. So last class रे आमे discussion करूथुलु first chapter of class 11 that is your living world. Living world रे first time कौन discussion कलु what are the various characteristic features of the living organisms. गोटे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स रे कौन कौन कैरेक्टर्स रहिबो कौन फीचर्स रहिबो से सब पार्ट आमे डिस्कस करूथुलु ओ दीटा फीचर्स आमे डिस्कशन कर सलौनी टिल नाउ एंड द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टिल नाउ दैट इज द ग्रोथ हाउ द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर ग्रोइंग एंड द सिमिलैरिटी विथ नॉन लिविंग्स सेकंड फीचर्स आमे नेइथिलु रिप्रोडक्शन माने द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम विल प्रोड्यूस इट्स ओन स्पेसीज सो दुईटा जाक फीचर आम देखिलु कि कौटा भी डिफाइनिंग फीचर नहांती डिफाइनिंग फीचर ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आम ताको कहि परिबा जो फीचर टाको नेइकरी लाइफ को डिफाइन करी होउथबो गोटे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स रो डेफिनेशन देई होउथबो और से फीचर्स रो क्राइटेरिया कोन थिबो दुईटा क्राइटेरिया थिला फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया होउची कि इट इज फाउंड इन ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स विदाउट एनी एक्सेप्शंस बिना व्यतिक्रम रे सबु तक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स रे से फीचरटा देखा जाउथबो आ गोटे थिला कि इट इज एब्सेंट इन नॉन लिविंग्स रे से फीचरटा जदि न थाए ताले सही टाइप रो फीचर्स टा को हम कहबा डिफाइनिंग फीचर सो ग्रोथ इज नॉट द डिफाइनिंग फीचर एंड रिप्रोडक्शन इज आल्सो नॉट द डिफाइनिंग फीचर एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द थर्ड फीचर व्हिच इज मेटाबॉलिज्म सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मेटाबॉलिज्म सो मेटाबॉलिज्म माने कौन स्कूल्स रे आमे समस्ते पढ़ीचु कि चयापचय गोटे प्रक्रिया अछि दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मेटाबॉलिज्म ग्रीक लैंग्वेज रे मेटाबॉल मीन्स चेंज सो द वर्ड मेटाबॉले दैट मीन्स चेंज इट इज a Greek word metabole means change which type of change it is metabolism means it is a process or it is a chemical reaction that occurs inside the living cells so जदि गोटे रिएक्शंस टा लिविंग सेल्स भितर हुए ताको आमे कहबा बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस सो नोट करिबा मेटाबॉलिज्म कोन द sum total of all biochemical reaction that occurs inside a living cell ओके तो गोटे लिविंग सेल रे घटुवा समस्त प्रकार जैव रासायनिक प्रक्रिया को आम मेटाबॉलिज्म बा चयापचय कहि परिबा सो जेति की केमिकल रिएक्शंस गोटे सेल भितर हुए ताको बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन कहबो सबु बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन दैट अकर्स इनसाइड ए सेल इज मेटाबॉलिज्म सो रिएक्शंस रे कोन हुए मेटाबॉलिज्म केते टाइप्स रो थिबो मेटाबॉलिज्म इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स Number one, the first one is anabolism and number two, that is catabolism. So two types of metabolic reaction is there, anabolic reaction plus catabolic reaction. So first time discuss kariba what is about anabolism. So note kariba ame what is anabolism ba anabolic reaction का को कहिबा से जिनसटा आम टिके डिस्कस करिबा सो फर्स्ट वन एनाबॉलिक रिएक्शन और एनाबॉलिज्म सो इन ग्रीक लैंग्वेज द वर्ड एनाबल मीन्स टू बिल्ड और टू मेक किसी जिनस तैयारी हेबा प्रक्रियाटा को एनाबॉलिज्म कहि परियो बा चय कहि परियो सो एनाबॉलिज्म रो डेफिनेशन कोन हबो एक्सक्यूज मी सो ऑल बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन जो रिएक्शंस रे कोन होतबो सम मॉलिक्यूल्स आर फॉर्मड किछि बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स तैयारी होतबो से टाइप रो रिएक्शन को हम कहबा कोन एनाबॉलिक रिएक्शन बा ताको बिल्डिंग ऑफ रिएक्शन कहि परिबा मेकिंग ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कहि परिबा बा कंस्ट्रक्टिव रिएक्शन हमें कहि परिबा. ओके सो द बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन in which biomolecules are formed. Biomolecules are formed inside a cell. Inside a cell. तो मॉलिक्यूल्स जो फॉर्मेशन होता केमती फॉर्मेशन होची कोडू तैयारी होची. सो बाय द जॉइनिंग ऑफ स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स आर फॉर्म. स्मॉल स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स गुड़ाक जॉइन होकर बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स तैयारी होगा प्रक्रियाटा को अनाबॉलिक रिएक्शन कहि परिबा बा ताको चय बोली आमे पढ़ीचु. स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल्स आर जॉइंड टू फॉर्म व्हाट बिग मॉलिक्यूल्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल्स. बिग मॉलिक्यूल बा ताको आमे लिखि परिबा कॉम्प्लेक्स मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल आमे गोटे दुटा रिएक्शंस नेले बुझी पारिबो. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस रे कौन हुए? फोटो मीन्स द वर्ड फोटोन मीन्स लाइट. ओके synthesis means to prepare. So photosynthesis means what? To prepare some food using sunlight as source of energy. So it हम गोटे जिनस notice करिबा कि when molecules are joined to form a complex molecules to form a big molecules. से टाइम रे कौन हम molecules भितर bond formation. Okay when a complex molecules is formed then there is formation of bond in between them. So when bond is formed energy is absorbed during formation of a bond. The bond formation requires energy. से रिएक्शंस रे से प्रतिक्रिया रे कौन हम एनर्जीटा दरकार हम शक्तिटा दरकार हम. तो से रिएक्शंस को आम कहि परिबा तापशोषी प्रतिक्रिया बा एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. सो फोटोसिंथेसिस रे कौन होछि आम टिके डिस्कस करिबा. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल दैट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. First one, the example is photosynthesis, and in the photosynthetic reaction, what happens? Photosynthesis means what? Preparation of the food using light, sunlight as a source of energy. इठी कौन होची 6 carbon dioxide molecules are joined with water to form one molecule of glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 molecule of oxygen is released. Okay, so here what happens when carbon dioxides are joined to form a complex molecule, that is your glucose molecules. So it कौन होची कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भितर बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होची और बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन पई एनर्जी आवश्यकता अछि. एनर्जी कोडू आसीबो फ्रॉम द सनलाइट. So energy source is what? Sunlight here. Energy source is sunlight. Okay, this is your sun. So sunlight contains what energy? सूर्य को आम कहूँ अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी बा सकल शक्तिर आधार. तो सेठू सब जो रेज आसुची सनलाइट्स आसुची इट कंटेनिंग फोटॉन्स. से फोटॉन्स रो काम कौन? टू जॉइन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल्स. इट गिव्स एनर्जी and one molecule of glucose is formed. This is what photosynthetic reaction in which big biomolecules is formed and it is a kind of anabolic reaction. So इठी हमें देखिबा कि the reaction in which energy is absorbed. से reaction टा को हमें कौन कहि परिबा? Endothermic reaction. This reaction is called as endothermic reaction. एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन माने कौन? द रिएक्शन इन व्हिच एनर्जी इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बा याको तापशोषी प्रतिक्रिया बोली कहि परिबो. एंडोथर्मिक मीन्स इट इज द energy is absorbed. Energy शोषण होची ताप शोषी प्रतिक्रिया बोली कहि परिबा. That is nothing but your photosynthesis. So molecules when formed, that reactions are anabolic reaction. For example, next example is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis re kon hobo, the raw materials are amino acids. Amino acid molecules are joined to form proteins. So proteins are nothing but here the amino acid molecules are joined to form what? Proteins. These are my amino acids. This is my first amino acid. This is my second, third, and fourth amino acids. So multiple amino acids are joined. Amino acids भितर जो bond अच्छी, that bond is called as your peptide bond. बात को amide bond बोली कही परिवो. So here you see there are many peptide bond is present. That is why the proteins are also called as polypeptides. So proteins are also called as what? Polypeptides. Why this is called as polypeptide? Due to presence of many peptide bonds. So again, bonds are formed, means energy is released, and big molecules are formed. This is what anabolic reaction or endothermic reaction. आपको तुम कही परिबो constructive reaction or building up reactions. So you can note this point. All anabolic reactions are constructive reaction. Note down the examples. Anabolic reactions are called as what? Constructive reaction. Constructive means formation, construction, गठनात्मक प्रतिक्रिया जाको कहा जाउछि. Then आउ कोन कहि परिबा endothermic reaction. All anabolic reactions are endothermic. Energy is absorbed. Examples, all synthetic reactions. All synthetic reactions are anabolic reactions. So जो भी reactions रे last synthesis word टा यूज हेइथिबो. Photosynthesis हेइ पारे, protein synthesis हेइ पारे, lipid synthesis हेइ पारे. Any kind of reaction ending with synthesis, that is your anabolic reactions. So next time देखिबा what is catabolism. So second metabolic reaction, that is nothing but catabolic reaction or catabolism. Again, catabole is a Greek word. In Greek language, the word catabole means to break. To break. So it is what? Breakdown reaction or destructive reaction. Here big molecules are broken. Big molecules are destroyed to form simpler molecules. So what would be the definition here? Catabolic reaction, the biochemical reaction, जैव रासायनिक प्रक्रिया, the biochemical reaction in which big and complex molecules, big and complex molecules are broken down into small molecules and simple molecules. Small and simple molecules. तामाने एठी गुटे आमे जिनस पाइबा कि when molecules are broken, जते बेले गुटे big molecules टा भांगुची, तामाने ता भितरे bonds are broken. जो chemical bonds थिबो, रासायनिक बंध सब थिबो, in the big molecules, in the complex molecules, that bonds are broken. When bonds are broken, जते बेले bonds गुडा भांगी जीवो, at that time what will happen? Energy is released. Energy baharibo. And the reaction in which energy is released, that is called as your exothermic reaction. Tapo utpadi pratikriya boli kahiba ame. So all catabolic reaction in which the molecules are broken. So this is called as what? destructive reaction बा ताकू लाइटिक रिएक्शन कहि परिबा ऑल लाइटिक रिएक्शन. So lysis means breakdown. Lysis means what? Breakdown. All the reaction ending with word lysis, that is your catabolic reaction. For example, the first example is your glycolysis. The first example is glycolysis. Again, lysis means breakdown, glycos means sugar, that is glucose. So glycolysis means the breakdown of glucose. Glycolysis, it is what? The breakdown of glucose to form, so कौन तैयारी वो small molecules, and the small molecule here it is your pyruvic acids. Glucose is a big molecule, it containing 6 carbon atom, and when one molecule of glucose is broken, we will get 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, and each pyruvic acid that will containing 3 carbon atom. So glucose ro 6 carbon atom thela, it is a big molecule, and pyruvic acid containing 3 carbon atom, it is a small molecule, simple molecules. So all the word ending with lysis, that is a kind of catabolic reaction. Now go to the examples ame note kariba. Like glycolysis, breakdown of glucose. So any reaction ending with lysis, that is your catabolic reaction. For example, proteolysis. Proteolysis means again lysis means breakdown, protein breakdown here. Proteolysis means the breakdown of proteins. Anabolism we discuss karutulu, proteins are made up of amino acids. When proteins are broken, we will get what amino acids? So proteolysis literally means protein breakdown. So it is the process of protein breakdown. So when proteins are broken, protein is a big molecule, complex molecule. So after breakdown, what will happen? The structure that are formed is the amino acids, small molecules, simple molecules. So here bonds are broken. When bonds are broken, bonds break down, energy is liberated, energy is released. So here what will happen? Energy released. When energy is going to be released? When bonds are broken. When the chemical bond will break, when the bond will break, the energy that is stored inside the bond, these are liberated, these are released. And these kinds of reactions are called as what? Exothermic reaction. So, the reaction in which energy is released, these reactions are called as exothermic reaction. This reaction is called as what? Exothermic. So exo means out, therm means related to temperature, related to energy. We have listened the word thermometer, instrument used to measure heat. Here exothermic means heat is released, temperature is released, energy is released. And this is also called as tapa utpadi prakriya. So kete bele energy release habo when bonds are broken. So co reactions re bond breakdown habo in my catabolic reaction, in my lytic reactions. Jouthi bi lytic word use houthibo. It may be glycolysis, it may be proteolysis, it may be lipolysis, lipid breakdown he pare. So any kind of reaction when bonds are broken are called as lytic reaction, and all lytic reactions are catabolic reaction, and all catabolic reactions are exothermic reaction. So this is clear. So okay. So metabolism I am discussed karutulu. It is composed of anabolism plus catabolism. So it is all biochemical reaction. So we can conclude here metabolism equal to anabolism, the constructive reaction, as well as catabolism, the destructive reaction. Okay. So choya and apochoya. So basically what is choya apochoya? So metabolism is nothing but the sum of the anabolic reaction plus catabolic reaction. means the formation of the molecules as well as the breakdown of molecules. So गोटे cells भितर कौन हो any time always molecules are formed, bonds are formed as well as molecules are broken, bonds are broken, energy is released, energy is absorbed, every time it is going on. So we can conclude कि metabolic reaction आम आपको एमती भी define करि परिबा all the energy changes of a cell. Energy changes of a cell is called as metabolism. By sum total of constructive and destructive reaction, sum total of anabolism and catabolism, that is the metabolism. So anabolism, in which what happens? Formation of molecules, formation of biomolecules. Catabolism is what? Breakdown or destruction of biomolecules. It always occurs inside a cell. Some molecules are broken, some molecules are formed all together. That will constitute the metabolism of a cell. Energy change of a cell. Some reactions are there, energy is released. Some reactions are there, energy is absorbed. So किछि reactions रे energy absorb होथबो and आउ किछि reactions कोन हेतिबो energy release होथबो. All together this is called as your metabolism. So it हम define करिबा कि how this anabolism and catabolism will affect your growth pattern. Okay, case 1, first case. Here anabolism is more, catabolism is less. First case. Suppose in any organism, the anabolic reaction that occurs is more, greater amount of molecules are formed, and catabolic reaction is lesser, means less number of molecules are broken. So net gain कौन हो, resultant कौन हो कि again some molecules are there inside a cells. यदि आम पाखे अधिक संख्यार molecules तैयारी होउछन्ति, कम molecules break down होउछि, that means some molecules are accumulated inside the cell. So cells भितर किछि molecules जमा हबो, then the cell size will grow, that is your growth. When anabolism is greater than catabolism, that indicates growth, growth of the organism. Okay, so more molecules are formed, less molecules are broken, result is growth of the organism. Case 2, second case रे कौन हबो, here anabolism equal to catabolism, what will happen here? So जेतिकी molecules तैयारी होउथबो, number of molecules formed सेतिकी संख्यार molecules टा break down होउथबो, number of molecules broken. So anabolism equal to catabolism, number of molecules formed equal to number of molecules broken. So it कौन हबो, there is no growth in that organism, growth is absent, no growth is found in that organism. Okay. Third case, case 3, here anabolism is less than catabolism, what will happen? That means what? More molecules are broken. Catabolism means what? Destruction of the molecules. More number of molecules are destroyed and less number of molecules are formed. Destructive reaction is more, constructive reaction is less. So here degrowth starts. Degrowth starts, that leads to your aging process. It leads to what? Aging. You will become old. और जो दूसरा प्लांट से ही थी वो प्लांट्स रो एजिंग प्रोसेस टाको सेनेसेंस आमे कहूछु, सेनेसेंस फेज को से एंट्री मारी जीवो. सो प्राइमरी स्टेज रे कोन आसला, ग्रोइंग फेज, then there is no growth, constant phase, then the last phase is degrowth phase. So in the life cycle of every living organisms, these three things occurs: growing phase, constant phase, and the death phase. It will be there. Okay. So now I am compare kariba the metabolic reaction. It can occur outside the cell or not. So this metabolism or the biochemical reaction, it is the सब living cells रे हो तो there is no issue at all. बट ए मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शन टाको आउटसाइड द सेल्स करी हबो कि नहीं, इनसाइड ए टेस्ट ट्यूब पॉसिबल और नॉट, दैट पार्ट विल डिस्कस. So this metabolic reaction, it can be performed outside the body and inside a test tube. Okay, so it can be performed. It can be performed outside a living body or a living cell, inside a glass test tube, inside a glass test tube. So it is possible. So it is possible to perform metabolic reaction outside the body, inside the test tube. But remember, this metabolic reaction that is occurring inside the test tube is not a living being, but surely it is a living reaction. So this metabolic reaction or the biochemical reaction, this metabolic reaction which occurs inside a cell-free system or a glass test tube, this reaction is what? It is a living reaction. So this reaction is a living reaction, no issue. But it is not a living being or it is not a living thing. This is not a living thing or living being. Why? So reason कौन अच्छे आप पसरे कि living being जोटा वो जो reactions टा inside the body होथो, that requires enzymes. Enzymes you all know, it is a biocatalyst. तार काम होला, it will speeds up the biochemical reaction. So body भितरे जेती की रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया होची, जो biochemical reaction होची, तार velocity टाको बढ़ाई देबो, तार speed टाको 100 गुणा 1000 गुणा increase करे दे पारियो. That is the function of enzymes. And these enzymes are synthesized inside a living body. It's not possible to make enzyme outside the body. And for living thing, for living being, the reaction must occur in presence of an enzyme. से रिएक्शन टा कौन होथबो, गोटे एंजाइम प्रेजेंस रे के होथबो. अब एंजाइम टा आउटसाइड द बॉडी, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू मेक एन एंजाइम. सो व्हाई इट इज नॉट ए लिविंग बीइंग, इट इज not a living being, because here enzyme is absent. Here why it is living reaction, it is not the enzyme, it is what? Inorganic catalyst presence रे भी हम reaction टा carry out करी पारिबा. But to make living being, it should be what? Enzymes, biocatalyst, the catalyst of life. And these living catalysts are only synthesized. Kooti seta synthesis houthubo ki inside the living body. Okay, that is why the metabolic reaction, it is not the living being. Still we can perform it outside the body. Okay, so next time we discuss kariba metabolism ta gote defining feature hei paribo ki nai. So defining feature haba pai duita criteria ra आवश्यकता रही. So देखिबा हमें मेटाबॉलिज्म टा फुलफिल करि पारुछि कि नहीं. Metabolism is defining feature or not. So it must fulfill two criteria for defining feature. So first criteria, it is present in all living organisms without any exception. So it is okay. First criteria is fulfilled. So it is present in all living organisms. So सबु living organisms रे एटा थिबो without any exception, बिना व्यतिक्रम रे सबु organisms रे एटा देखा जाउथिबो without any exception. So एमती किछि living organisms नथिबो जोटी कि metabolism नथिबो. So जेति कि living organisms अछंती all over the world, it may be bacteria, it may be fungus, protozoa आई पारे, microbes आई पारे, complex animals like hydra, starfish, human, elephants, tigers, different birds. So all the living organisms must have metabolism without any exception. So first criteria is fulfilled. So first criteria for the defining feature is fulfilled. And second criteria, what is that? So it is, it must be absent in non-livings. ओके सो डिफाइनिंग फीचर हाँ जो सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया आवश्यकता रही है कौन सो दैट फीचर इज एब्सेंट इन नॉन लिविंग्स सो एमती किसी नॉन लिविंग्स नहीं जहाँ भितर कि मेटाबॉलिज्म हो ओके नॉन लिविंग्स डू नॉट हैव मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शंस सो सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया इट इज फुलफिल्ड also. So now the metabolism is selected for the defining feature. So metabolism it is a defining feature of living organisms. Defining feature means a feature टाक नहीं करी हमें living organisms definition दे परिबा we can define life. लाइफ को डिफाइन करने जो सब फीचर्स दरकार ताको हमें कहि परिबा कि these are my defining features. Metabolism is okay, it's a defining feature. Why? Metabolism it is only found in living organisms and in all living organisms, every living organisms, each living organisms, and it is absent in my non-livings. That is why the metabolism is the defining feature. Okay. So आज क्लास रे हमें कौन कौन डिस्कशन कलु तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द लिविंग वर्ल्ड the chapter is continued and we have discussed in my last class that is your growth which is not the defining feature reproduction it is also not the defining feature why there are some living organisms they cannot reproduce like the mule sterile worker bees infertile human couples so आज हमें डिस्कस कलु what is metabolism कौन it is sum total of all biochemical reaction that occurs inside a living cell it is metabolism. Metabolism is two types that is anabolism as well as catabolism constructive reaction the formation of molecules destructive reaction or catabolism that is what in which molecules are broken and metabolism is the defining feature okay so thank you so much enjoy the video classes.